Threshold notifications tell you when your key metrics are not where they should be, finding the source of the problem fast. Set specific thresholds on key performance indicators. When outliers occur, Solink will proactively notify you via email or text to provide clear, actionable insights. Keep track of your sales for one or multiple locations. When you've hit your revenue targets, or when they dip below a specified amount, you'll be notified. Stay on top of concerning data trends. When discounts, voids, or refunds exceed your predefined limit in a given day, week, or month, you'll be notified. Threshold notifications immediately point you to transactions and their associated video for faster and more efficient investigations. Interested in learning more about threshold notifications? Contact us either directly in Solink or on our website today.